Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Android Studio Program Wiz. Today we are going to see how to generate the QR code with the text that we give as input from our Android app. So first we create the XML file with the image view to display the QR code, the edit text to get the string, and a button to generate QR code. In the Java code, we initialize the button, the edit text, and image view. In the button on-click listener, we get the string from our edit text and we initialize the multi-format writer for QR code. In the try catch, we call the bit matrix to encode the text in the QR code format and specify the width and the height of the QR code. We call the barcode encoder and the bitmap and create the map with bit matrix, and we set the bitmap to the image view. And call the input method manager to hide the keyboard. Let's build the app now. The build is successful. Let's run the app to check the results. So we give the hello world as the input text. So we got the QR code as the output. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.